Hello my dudes, I'm Hollywood Lightly and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my November Scentbird. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. This is the penultimate Scentbird video for this channel. I'm going to be canceling after December. Here. So I kind of just like went all out and just got all of these things that made me interested. So we have 3 scents again, and all 3 of them are brand new to me. 2 of them were a bit of a long shot. Like I kind of took a chance. And then the 3rd one, even though I never smelled it, I had a feeling it would be good, and I was right. So pat myself in the back. Let's just get started. One thing I did want to show you or talk to you about is if you are ever curious about the concentration of liquid alcohol to perfume oil in your scents, when you spray into something like this waxed cardboard cap, the alcohol itself soaks in quite quickly, but the perfume oils stay behind a lot longer. So the areas where it's dark, there you can see it right there, that's the perfume oil. This particular scent did not have a very high concentration of perfume oils as compared to, say, this one, where you can see quite a bit more oil. So the lighter concentration one that I just showed you, that is from Rag&Bone, and it is the scent Oddity. So the lighter concentration is probably not a bad thing with this fragrance, because it's quite a rich, spicy, unique type of scent. It's called Oddity for a reason. And this is the first time I've ever tried anything from Rag&Bone, but I know that there are some of you out there who have fragrances from the brand that you really like. So the bottle looks like this. I really do like their packaging. I think it's quite classic looking, very nice and sleek. And Oddity has licorice, black pepper, leather, vetiver, and vanilla bean. It says it's a full sensual immersion in black spices. Licorice, black pepper, and leather cast long, sharply tailored shadows over base plush vetiver, amber, and vanilla bean. So yeah, a little bit lighter concentration on this is okay, because with all of those heavy scents, you don't need a lot. Okay, you don't need a lot. I did spray this in the cap, and I am smelling it from the cap still. It's quite peppery. I can smell the licorice. I can smell the vetiver. What else did they say? I don't really get a lot of leather. And I don't get anything specifically vanillic, but I do get something sweet. But licorice is also sweet sometimes, so peppery, licoricey, sweet. It's not an unpleasant fragrance at all. I have had some sinus issues and migraine issues, so I have not put it on my skin because I'm not comfortable spraying something like this on my skin at this time. But the scent itself is not unpleasant, and I will definitely be wearing this on my skin to give it a good test. That is Oddity from Rag&Bone. I don't know if this was a limited one. This might have been a limited one, but again, it shows up in the cologne section of Scentbird, where not so many people are looking, so it could still be there if you're interested. The one that I showed you with a greater concentration of the perfume oil is Scents in Wood, Sandalwood and Oak. And this is the one that was a pretty safe bet. It's very, very nice. It's super, super beautiful. I really like both of the Scents in Oak fragrances that I tried. I'm not sure if I'm getting another one next month, but they have, I think, pretty much the full collection on Scentbird if you want to try the brand. This one comes with a really cool little like fold out. It says it's Scentbird and Sandalwood exclusive partnership, so you won't be finding these fragrances in other subscription boxes or scent subscriptions. And it says, trees are the poems that the earth writes upon the sky by Khalil Gibran. It's Sandalwood and Oak, an exploration of sandalwood's glowing character. A scent made with organic alcohol aged in American oak barrel. A creation of perfumer Mackenzie Riley. Scents of wood are created with the most luxurious ingredients, then manufactured in wooden barrels to perfect their composition. Each fragrance and candle... Okay, they sell candles too. I was like really confused. I was like, what candle? Each fragrance and candle is perfumer's ode to the unique magnificence of one particular tree essence. Like a forest bath for your home, skin, and soul. Go to senseofwood.com/we love Scentbird for more details. I'll put that here and down below. So, Scents of Wood, Sandalwood and Oak, a smoldering haze of sacred sage and smoky gaiac wood transcend the purity of sandalwood for a mystical voyage of the senses, barrel-aged in American oak, with notes of sandalwood, burnt sugar, smoked sage, gaiac wood, and vanilla. This one is sweet and woody, and I really was interested in it for that burnt sugar and smoked sage note. Because if you've ever burnt sage, you know that it has a very pungent odor. There's a very unique scent to it. And this captures that, but it's not heavy, and it's like an essence of smoked sage was sprinkled over the fragrance. Mostly I get vanilla and sandalwood with a little bit of the gaiac wood, deepening it up just a tad. But it's quite a dry sandalwood. But that vanilla's in there, so it's not like pencil shaving scent. I really like this. I really enjoyed this. I've enjoyed both of these Scents and Wood fragrances now, so I think this is a brand that I will be looking into buying full bottles from. And then the final one was a brand that I'd never heard of. It was new when I placed my order for November, when I made my queue. This was new on the website at that time. When you're seeing this, it's probably been there at least a month. Again, you can see a pretty good amount of perfume oils there, but the scent itself is very light. I'm gonna spray it on me. What it is from MarieJeanne, and it is Jasmine Patchouli. Again, another super stunning, simplistic bottle, and it's in this green color that really brings to life the feeling of the fragrance, because it's quite a green feeling fragrance, despite the fact that it's jasmine and patchouli. So the brand is written as MarieJeanne in one word. I'll show you the card because this side isn't focused. MarieJeanne, Jasmine Patchouli. It's very green, it's fresh, but it's definitely patchouli. I can smell that much. Jasmine Patchouli is a stunning fragrance. Its characteristic olfactory signature is the result of a central note of Jasmin grandiflorum absolute from grass, prized for both its sultry aroma and its rarity. So it is from Grasse, France. And the notes are green notes, Jasmin grandiflorum, jasmine, and patchouli. The first thing that comes through on the first spray is just those green notes, but they don't smell like wet green or like dirty green. They don't smell overly earthy. They just smell quite fresh and vibrant. The only other fragrance I have that has a similar style of greenness is Bonsai from House of Matriarch. But that's kind of faded out now, and I'm getting more of the patchouli and the jasmine, but both are still quite fresh. They're not, like, the jasmine's not indolic, the patchouli's not dirty. It says available at MarieJeanne.us. I'll put that down below as well. Sometimes with absolutes, I can become a little bit anosmic to them, and I feel like that's what's happening because I smell jasmine, but I don't get like jasmine, like a beautiful, like stunning, like it says here. I definitely get patchouli and a little jasmine, but I feel like with the absolute, I may be a little anosmic to it. So this is one I would definitely have to really wear over a period of time before deciding if I wanted a full bottle or not. Based on just the original like the original impression alone, I probably wouldn't want a full bottle, but that doesn't mean it's a bad fragrance. This will definitely have a time and place to wear this, and I think the warmer weather will probably do it well as well. So yeah, maybe trying this when it gets warm again would help it a lot. So anyway, those were the So those were the scents for the month of November. I'm very happy with all of them. I will be wearing and trying them all. And I definitely plan to look further into purchasing full bottles of the Scents of Wood fragrances because both of them so far have been stunning. If you're getting Scentbird, let me know what you've tried this month or what you have been trying that you love. If you're not subscribed but are interested, I do have a link below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't make any money, but if you subscribe through the link, you can get a free perfume, and I can get a free perfume. So helping you help me. So anyway, thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.